What's up, Sapphire? Back here with another video. We've got a very exciting project today. We got some miniature apples. We're gonna cut them open. It's gonna be epic. Here's my son. Are you excited?
No. Yes.
Okay, we're just gonna start cutting these open. I'm very excited to see what's in them.
Can I go?
Okay guys, so we got these apples actually at samurai.com. We ordered a couple, and apparently they're actually used for rituals. So we're actually gonna start one right now. Okay guys, so as you can see, there are actually white seeds inside of these, which pretty much mean that the apple gods have blessed us with powers. Okay guys, so something really interesting is apparently these are actually really scrumptious, really good to eat. So we're actually just gonna cut 2 little pieces off. Me and my boy can have one. Okay, let's dig in. Okay guys, so that was what is inside a miniature apple. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Also, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe.
You know what I say about apples? I love them. That's some good apple flavor.